Would you rather spend $1,000 on this or on this? On this or on this? You get the picture. If you have hail damage, get it fixed for free with StormWise Automotive Hail Repair. Let me ask you this. Did you already take your car to the shop your insurance company recommended, only to find out they've got atrocious reviews online, you can't even get in with them for 4 months, and oh yeah, they are not gonna help you with that $1,000 deductible. Save your money. StormWise fixes it for free with your insurance. We even provide a loaner car free of charge to you if you need it. Let StormWise take care of your hail damage repair, insurance claim, and rental car setup like the thousands of other customers we've helped before you. In business for 12 plus years with hundreds of 5-star reviews online and also A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. If you're paying at all for hail damage repair, you're paying too much. Click the link below to schedule your free estimate today.